Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change name in Canva. So to get started, first of all go ahead and tap on the Canva application. So once you have opened up the Canva application, your screen interface will look somewhat like this. You'll be probably on the home page of Canva. Now as you can see on the top left corner, there is 3 lines or the menu bar. Go ahead and tap on it. Now there you can see the little profile icon with your name on it. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you will be brought up with this type of options: settings, get help, create a team, privacy policy, and somewhat like this. Now go ahead and tap on settings. Now there is the option called your account. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see the name and email address and what will you be using Canva for and many more. So in order to change your name, go ahead and tap on the edit on the right hand side of your name. Now just remove the name that you have added and write down the new name that you would like to add. So once you are done with adding your name, go ahead and save it, and your name on Canva will be changed successfully and you'll be good to go. So this is how easily you can change name in Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press on notification bell for more updates.